Shalom. Today I am going to talk about monitor lizard meat. It's also called udumbu in Tamil. Particularly the tongue and the liver is eaten in parts of India and Malaysia and is supposed to be an aphrodisiac. So is monitor lizard meat edible? Land monitor meat is considered edible, while water monitor meat is not. Killing a land monitor is usually considered a cowardly act and is frequently referred to folklore along with other harmless reptiles such as rat snakes. Now, what is the price of monitor lizard meat? Monitor lizard meats. Smugglers buy the lizards for ₹1,000 each in Tamil Nadu and sell them for 5,000 rupees or more in Bengaluru. The cost depends on the weight of the lizard and its gender. Its meat is used for food as many believe it is good for muscles. So can monitor lizards eat? Which country eats monitor lizards? The meat of monitor lizards is eaten by some tribes in India, Nepal, the Philippines, Australia, South Africa and West Africa as a supplemental meat source. Both meat and eggs are also eaten in Southeast Asian countries such as Vietnam and Thailand as a delicacy. Most of the lizards are poachers and bringing these lizards regularly for not realizing the punishment of the act. So let's see about the monitor lizard meat. The meat of monitor lizards is eaten by some tribes as a supplemental meat source. Both meats and eggs are also eaten in countries such as Vietnam and Southeast Asian countries, especially for the delicacy. So what are the benefits of monitor lizard in India? The meat considered to be aphrodisiac is consumed in several parts of the world. They are also used in several parts of India and Pakistan to cure rheumatic pain, skin infections and hemorrhoids. Monitor lizards are exploited on a large scale for their skins, which are used in the leather industry. So what does monitor lizard taste like? However, the monitor lizard has taken the limelight this year and has become a hot topic among Malaysians who prize them for their meat, which they say tastes like chicken. So how much protein is there in monitor lizard? Blood 78%, eye opening pressure 38%, WBC 711, eosinophilia 4S, protein content 111. So is monitor lizard good? According to the studies, monitor lizard meat contains high proteins and amino acid. It contains important nutrients such as tyrosine, phenylalanine, tryptophan and histidine in low level, while isoleucine in lizard meat found in high level compared to other common meats such as beef and dairy products. Is monitor lizard meat edible? Land monitor lizard is considered edible, especially by indigenous people, while water monitor lizard is not. So how does monitor lizard smell? The meat. Monitor lizard smells their forked tongue. Each fork helps to sense the direction of the smell, and the tongue is brought back into the mouth to be assessed by a special organ. Their sense of smell helps them to locate food and communicate with others. So how to cook monitor lizard meat? The monitor lizard meats are used for cooking by people who live in the South Asian countries. They eat large mammals such as deers, goats, water buffaloes. However, their meats are very rich in protein. So can you cook lizard eggs, monitor lizard eggs? You can't cook a hard-boiled monitor lizard egg. So which lizard are the most eaten? Monitor lizard and Komodo dragon are the most eaten in a single meal. They have been known to eat up to 80% of fat and body weight in a single meal. So can we fry monitor lizards? Yes, you can fry them till a golden brown color. Olive oil is the best to fry it in, but some do not like the flavor of olives. Now let's see about monitor lizard meat benefits. Monitor lizard meats are used in traditional medicines. However, there is no scientific evidence of their effectiveness. Their meat is consumed in several parts of the world. They are also used in several parts of India and Pakistan to cure rheumatic pain, skin infection and hemorrhoids. Is monitor lizard meat good? According to some studies, lizard meat contains high proteins and amino acids. It contains important nutrients such as tyrosine, histidine, phenylalanine, tryptophan in low level, while insulin in lizard meat are found in high level compared to other common meats such as beef and dairy products. Is monitor lizard meat nutritious? Lizards like green monitors are high in protein, low in calories and high in nutrients including zinc and iron. Studies have found that consuming these nutrients is linked to healthy benefits such as improved immunity and recovery. Is monitor lizard tasty? If you have read this so far and you're still intrigued, it doesn't taste like chicken, but the flesh is quite bony and the strong taste of spices can be overpowering. If you can get over the fact that you are eating reptile's meat, the overall flavor and experience are worth a try. How much protein is there in a monitor lizard? Eyes opening pressure 38%, protein 111%. Do Indians eat monitor lizard? Monitor lizard meat, particularly the tongue and liver, is eaten in parts of India and is supposed to be aphrodisiac. So why do people eat these monitor lizards? Some believe that eating this meat gives them superhuman strength and virility. Others claim equally preposterously that it can attack and kill cattle. There are others more believable stories about the Bengal monitor lizard. Is monitor lizard meat halal or haram? The results show that dab is halal based on the narrated by a king. So can we eat monitor lizards? Monitor lizard is not in the food. You can eat food safely if the dead lizard is in the food. Discard the remaining food. Watch for any vomiting or abdominal pain. So what are the uses of these monitor lizard? In medicinal, it treats or cures arthritis, blood clots, skin ailments, spider and snake bites, pains, burns and rheumatism. So what is the price of monitor lizard? The price of monitor lizard in Tamil Nadu is ₹1,000 and people sell them for ₹5,000 or more in Bengaluru. The cost of the monitor lizard depends on the weight of the lizard and its gender. Its meat is used for food as many believe it is good for the muscles. What are the benefits of monitor lizard meat in India? The meat consumed in several parts of the world. They are also used in several parts of India to cure many diseases. Monitor lizards are exploited on large scale for their skins, which are used in the people who are in the skin industry or leather industry. So monitor lizard meat contains high proteins proteins and amino acid. It contains important nutrients such as tryptophan, tyrosine, phthalate. So monitor lizard meats are benefit for the skin. People in Indonesia used to eat lizard meat to heal itchy skin and some other skin disease such as eczema and psoriasis. They even drained the meat they then turned into powder and put in capsule skin. As mentioned before, that lizard meat can be eaten to cure skin disease. The benefits include acne treatment. Can we eat monitor lizard skin? Monitor lizards are exploited on a large scale for their skins, which are used in the leather industry. Meat and eggs of monitor lizards are consumed in several Asian, African and Oceanic countries. The skin of monitor lizard is used in making kanjiya, a Carnatic music percussion instrument. What are the benefits of eating this monitor lizard? In some regions of Malaysia, the Philippines and India, monitor lizard meat is consumed and reputed to have medicinal properties in treating rheumatic pain and skin infections. It is also said to improve stamina and prevent asthma attacks. So what is monitor lizard meat good for humans? According to studies, lizard meat contains high proteins and amino acids. The lizard meat found is high in level compared to other common meats such as beef and other dairy products. How much protein are there in monitor lizard meats? 111% is there in monitor lizard meat. Lizard meat is loaded with antioxidants which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. This in turn significantly contributes to antioxidants. Is lizard meat beneficial for human beings? As much as the game meat, lizard diets tends to be quite particularly so, loading them up for strength. In terms of medicine, various products from monitor lizards can be used to treat or cure arthritis, blood clots, skin ailments, spider and snake bites. So friends, I've given you a lot of information about monitor lizard. See you in another episode. Bye.